Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm going to be unwrapping a beautiful new pack of beads and I can't wait to share it with you. We'll be taking a look at the Softflex Company Design Challenge Kit. So I'll be giving you my first impressions and checking out the colors, textures and shapes. So grab a seat, get cozy, and let's dive into this unpacking together. And here we have the Softflex Company Beading Design Challenge Kit. The name of this collection is Badlands. This is their latest kit, I believe. I know they reveal their kits on the Softflex Company Facebook page, and they usually do it on the last Wednesday of each month. It retails for about $34.99, and by the time you see this video, they may already be sold out, but they have other kits available if you miss out on this one. A little bit about the company. They're based out of Sonoma, California, and it's a small family-run business. They specialize in flexible beading wire, but they also carry their own line of craft wire, as well as various findings and tools and a good selection of gemstones and glass beads. And don't you love the way they wrap it? But anyway, guys, one of the nice things about this kit is that you can post pictures of your designs on their Facebook page, and each one you post is counted as an entry to win their next available kit. So that's pretty cool. Not only that, you get to see what other people make. So that's another good reason to join that Facebook page. I'll leave the link down below. So let's open it up. Oh my goodness, look at these beautiful beads. Wow, I love those colors. And it looks like this bead mix has some copper beads and bead caps. And you take it out. We have beading wire, we have beautiful bead mixes, a couple of strands. It also comes with a list of contents. Let me get organized and we'll go through each item. Look at this lovely mix here. These large ones are called orange nugget beads. And then we have this copper component and some ear wire hooks as well underneath and a clasp. Now these are really cool looking. Let me slide some on my rod. Here's all 7 of them. And don't they look like candy? They really do. I love the color. They're called check glass orange nugget beads. I don't know what size, but they look like they might be about 12, maybe 14 millimeters across. They're pretty big. But they have a frosted finish, as you can see. How cool are these? I really like them. Let's take a look at these now. These look like they're ceramic beads. I went ahead and loaded the ceramic beads as well as these rondelles. Aren't they pretty? These rondelles are absolutely stunning. Look at that. They're smooth on the sides, but then they have that faceting along the outer edge. Very, very pretty. And I love the color. They're listed as check glass amber color rondelles. And again, I don't know the size, but they look like they might be about maybe 8 millimeters across. And here's some ceramic beads, barrel beads. The color of these is light brown, but they look like a mustardy color. They actually have a little bit of brown on one side. That is so cool. And they have very large holes too. I'm not sure if you guys can see the holes. Let me put them down and then I'll show you. As you can see, it's a very large hole. So if you wanted to use these on leather cord, they'd be perfect. And then we have these ear wire hooks. There's 4 of them and the lobster clasp. Let's take a look at this one now. How pretty is that? Wow, that is so pretty. On the back it's smooth, as you can see. Well, it's not exactly smooth. It has like a hammered effect, which makes it look really cool. And then there's a hole at the top. This is called a copper verdigris plated weathered compass, and it measures 26 millimeters across. I absolutely love it. Let's take a look at these strands. These are listed as check glass turquoise color rondelles, and they're pretty small, as you can see, maybe 6 millimeters across, I would say. But what I like about these is that they're not all the same. Some have more color than others. Some are more transparent than others. These are really, really pretty. And let's take a look at these now. These are listed as check glass amber colored rondelles, and they look about the same size as these, maybe a little bit smaller. I would say probably around 5 millimeters across. I love these. I love the color palette so far. Now these came all in one bag, and it was stapled to this bag, which contains some crimp tubes, as you can see. These measure 2 by 2 millimeters, and they're copper, as you can see. And guys, if you've never used the Softflex Company crimp tubes, you're missing out. because they really are good quality. It's so easy to crimp with these, and I think it's because they're pretty thick. I've never had any problems, and you know me, I don't like to crimp. It's not my favorite thing, but I don't mind it if I use high quality crimp tubes. Let me get some more items. And here we have the Jesse James Beads Design Elements Bead Mix. Each Softflex company design kit comes with one of these, and they always name it after the kit. Let me open it up. Can you believe these gorgeous colors? We have copper, we have turquoise, we have this beautiful blue, we have some amber, we have some bronze as well. Lots of different beads, lots of variety. These cylinder-shaped beads are very unusual looking. I don't think I've ever seen beads like that. Since there's so much here, I'm going to go ahead and load them onto a couple of rods so we can take a look at them. I'm always amazed at the number of beads that come in those little packs. It's incredible. But anyways, you can see there's quite a bit of variety there. Lots of different shapes and sizes. I placed some bead caps up against these cubes just to give you an idea of how it changes the bead. I'm not saying that's what I'm going to do. I think they would look better on this kind of bead, but it was a last minute decision as I was sliding the beads onto the rods. Let's take a look at these. These are pretty big, as you can see. We have some round faceted beads on the end right there. And then these beautiful cylinder shaped beads, which I think are so unusual looking. And then we have these here. I like these. They're so pretty. And then we have some rondelles. And these are really nice as well. These copper ones. And since the holes are so big, you could actually slide another bead in there, something smaller, and it would show through the openings. That would be very pretty as well. And then we have these on the end. And these are a little bit smaller, obviously. We have two oval beads right here in this amber color. Some more rondelles. These are really cool looking because they're drilled at the top. So they look very interesting when you string them on. And then we have the cubes and the bead caps. And then we have these two ceramic beads. I love these. They're so beautiful. And they have large holes as well. I know you can't see them, but they are large. And then we have these two pillow-shaped beads, square beads, in a copper color. As you can see, these are smaller. We have some more rondelles here in a beautiful dark amber color. We have these metal spacer beads with a bumpy design. How cool is that? We have these corrugated copper beads. We have a bunch of spacer beads right here. And then we have these tiny blue beads. I'm not sure if these are glass or ceramic. I think they're glass. But anyway, I think this bead mix is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And of course, they coordinate really nicely with these beads. Now, in addition to these beads, the kit also includes some beading wire. It's 0.019 of an inch thick, or 0.48 millimeters, and there are 10 feet of beading wire on this spool. And the color is copper. How pretty is that? So now let me go ahead and arrange everything on my table so we can look at the whole collection. Well, here's the whole collection, the Badlands collection. And I absolutely adore these colors, like I said before. They're so pretty. I love the combination of the turquoise and the amber. And of course, I've always been a big fan of copper elements. And the fact that they include beading wire and crimp tubes and some findings is a real plus. And this pendant is absolutely gorgeous. There's something here for every taste. Whether you like large beads or small beads, you can make a bold statement necklace or something dainty. But anyway, guys, I'd love to hear your opinion. If you could leave some comments down below, I'd really appreciate that. I hope you enjoyed today's unpacking of this collection. Thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.